Wait, cut through Alex.
No.
No, it's more fun.
No, man. It's going right down the stairs back here.
Oh man, that's so trippy. The stairs. I'm running. Okay, stop. It's pause time. What? I don't know. Oh. Okay. You want something better? Oh, no. Sorry. Okay, Greg. Dance off, you're first. Ready?